Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python tutorial. As last time, see here, there are a few lines of codes here, they are commands. Okay, print, integer, string, type, and float. Okay, you remember all of them? Great, today we're going to start out the more detailed in Python basics, or fundamentals, whatever you like to call it. Okay. A very important code here to get interactive with your users. It's input something. What does it do? It lets you to type in something in the terminal here, shell. Okay, let's do something. Let's run this code. Hello. Okay, as you see, a single line of input is actually useless. Then what do? We need to do something to make it useful. Okay, there is a very important way to write your programs. Let us see. X equals to 1, 2, okay, whatever. It is declaring a variable. As you declare variables, a lot of things can be done. Okay. X can be an integer. Okay, maybe you want to specify it as an integer. Can be an integer, a string, hello, string, float, a float, and also all of them are not just data types, they are actually functions. So if we can put a function inside integer built-in function, we can actually put the input function into our variable. Please enter your name. Print welcome. Okay, let's run this little program here. My name's Samuel. Sorry. See here. Okay, we might need to make some changes, as you see here, it's stuck together. So let's try again and save. You can make some little changes. As a lot of changes are made into your program, it will become perfect. See here, much better, because it's stuck here. Okay. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, let's get to the other part. A very important skill to learn in Python. It is also essential. As we're teaching the fundamentals, of course everything is essential. Okay, it's a if. Yes, you see here, if else. See here, very good, it's given, so I don't have to type it. Condition, what does it mean by condition here? It means like, let me do something. Okay, I have to clarify this. X can be any name, as long as it does not start with a special character or number. Okay, anything. It's just okay. It can be this one because it can be anything you want. Input, enter a number. Let's make a very simple program here. Okay, You would have to specify, otherwise it would. Sorry. Oh, sorry. SD. SD. It's the variable here equals to 1. Okay, pass here. Pass does nothing. Okay. You can try the pass command, but it's actually useless. I mean, it's useless sometimes. It's useful sometimes, but you don't usually use it alone. Print SD equals to SD. Oh, sorry here. A little bit mistake. Yes, that's more like it. Okay, you see two equal signs here. It will, yeah, this is the syntax. You have to follow it. Okay, let's try it out. 1. Yes, you see here. Okay, this is a very ugly name. I would like change it to X. Sorry. Nani? Okay. How about that? In situations that you would like one or more conditions here, but I want something like larger than 1 or smaller than 1, what would we do? Okay, I give you 3 seconds to think about it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's like this. It's exposed. Elif. The condition is anything you want to do, anything you like, actually. Larger than 1. Print X. Okay, let's try it out. I'll give an example. 5. 1. I think there's a problem here. Elif. Sorry. That's a little bit of mistake. 5. 5. Yes, see? Here, X is larger than 1. This statement would be printed if X is larger than 1. That means the number you enter is larger than 1. It will print X larger than 1. Okay, that is all of today's lesson. We'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a like or leave a comment if you have any question. I will be willing to answer your question. Okay, see you in next lesson.